What if your Samsung phone already had a piece of the future hiding inside it, right now, and no one even told you? Out of nowhere, a quiet little Geekbench leak just flipped the script. The Galaxy S23 FE, Samsung's so-called budge phone, is now running One UI 8 based on Android 6 before most flagships even get close. Something big is happening behind the scenes, and it's not just about the S23 FE. Welcome back, viewers! Sam here. If you love uncovering what tech companies don't want you to know yet, smash that like button, share this with your fellow tech nerds, and make sure you're subscribed so you're always one step ahead. Now let's talk about what Samsung isn't saying out loud yet. One UI 8 isn't just an update, it's a total shift in how your phone behaves, looks, and feels. Right now, it's technically limited to the Galaxy S25 series and the newest foldables, but if the S23 FE is already running it behind closed doors, it means Samsung's beta testing is moving faster and deeper than anyone expected. Let's rewind a bit. When the first whispers of One UI 8 emerged, the spotlight was squarely on Samsung's upcoming flagships, the S25 Ultra and the Fold 7. That made sense. These phones are the crown jewels of Samsung's hardware empire. But that's why this leak from the S23 FE is so fascinating. It's like Samsung is quietly testing its newest software on an affordable device before the big rollout. And here's what's wild, we're not talking about just internal builds anymore. The S23 FE popped up on Geekbench running Android 16, which is the underlying base for One UI 8. It's not a fluke, it's a signal. Samsung is getting ready to do something bold. Now, here's the twist: One UI 8 isn't just about visuals and animations. Samsung is revamping core system processes, power management, and AI integration. And it's doing all of this while keeping the update shockingly stable for a first wave. According to early testers on internal builds, it already feels smoother than One UI 7 did on final release. But wait, it gets better. One of the more surprising parts of this rollout: Samsung is using older devices like the S23 FE to test deeper personalization features. That's right. While the S25 Ultra is flexing high-end AI tools, the S23 FE is quietly getting UI layout intelligence, advanced battery learning algorithms, and deeper Galaxy themes integration. So why use the S23 FE? Think about it. It's a mass-market device, affordable but powerful, and it runs both Exynos and Snapdragon variants. That makes it the perfect testing ground. If it works well there, it'll scale beautifully to the rest of the Galaxy family. And here's something Samsung hasn't talked about, but we've seen signs of it in beta code. One UI 8 will likely have features that adapt based on the device you're using. We're talking about dynamic feature sets, where some elements of the update will only appear if your phone has enough RAM, a powerful GPU, or a compatible AI engine. This is next-level modularity. But don't worry, because even mid-range like the Galaxy A55 and A35 are expected to get the core One UI 8 experience, just trimmed down where necessary. The software is finally catching up to the idea that not every phone needs the same features, just the right ones. Now, let's talk about timelines. Based on this early leak and insider reports, Samsung is preparing to open the beta program to more devices than ever before. The S25 Ultra and Fold 7 are already in the internal beta phase, but Galaxy S24 and S23 series devices could be next as early as August. And if the S23 FE already has Android 16 builds in testing, we may see a public beta shock drop soon after. And there's something else hidden in plain sight. Samsung is experimenting with a new feedback engine. Remember, good luck. That suite of customization tools might be integrated deeper into One UI 8 to let users submit live feedback directly from the UI rather than through the traditional Samsung Members app. That's huge because it signals Samsung is ready to co-develop future features with its power users. Think Pixel's feature drops, but interactive and community-driven. Now let's zoom out. This whole situation with the S23 FE could redefine how Samsung rolls out updates. Instead of a rigid flagship to mid-range trickle, we might start seeing strategic leapfrogging, where updates appear on surprising devices to test specific modules. This means beta builds could land on a watch, a fold, or even a Galaxy Tab before they hit your main phone. Coming up next, we dive into the most exclusive One UI 8 features that are locked to Galaxy AI models, and why Samsung might keep them out of reach for most users. Plus, what feature was silently removed in the latest ZYJ8 beta build that has some insiders furious. Stick around. You're not going to want to miss what happens next.